It's that time for The Law and You. And joining us today, we have attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. What a pleasure to see you guys.
Oh, thank you. We're excited to be here. As always, every day.
So knowledgeable,
we ran here
so
today.
helpful.
We're so excited.
Well, it's becoming spring. It's getting
I know,
nicer
the weather's
out there.
weather's starting to break, so
exactly.
we're ready.
Great time of year and a great time to answer your questions, as always. So this one comes from Ashley. Ashley says, I was recently denied Social Security and I know I can't work. Is this something your firm can help with?
It certainly is. And, you know, so here's what a lot of people don't understand about Social Security. It is a very adversarial process, meaning that even though you're applying for Social Security, there's going to be, you know, there's a judge, there's a vocational expert. So you really need to have a lawyer walk you through this process, and it's going to be able to stand there and really advocate for you because they're going to be advocating against you. And so you really need somebody that's going to be able to put this case together and put you in the best position to ultimately get the disability that you need because you can't work. And that disability is, you know, it's really important both from a wage standpoint and then also a medical standpoint, because if you need treatment, then obviously you want to make sure you're getting that treatment, and the disability process is going to be able to do that for you.
Yeah, and you keyed on a real important word, putting the case together, because a lot of times if you go in there by yourself, you don't understand what needs to be presented to the judge. And sometimes your doctors don't, and that's where the attorneys can come in and they can get you to the doctors that'll get you the reports that you need to demonstrate that you don't have the ability to work. And that's a lot, that has a lot to do with it too. Besides the courtroom, there's a lot that goes on before you get to the courtroom. And if you kind of do it by yourself, sometimes it doesn't work. So I think it's very important to have lawyers in these hearings.
All right, some great advice for Ashley there. And if you have any other legal questions, you can give these guys a call. They're so helpful. You can also just follow them on social media or find them online. And if you have a question, just submit it at pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.